Welcome to our 12 p.m. show, and it was all about the blue-eyed boy of the Indian cricket. It was about Washington Sundar. I was telling to Trisha, she's behind the camera at this point of time, and she was
It was all about Washington Sundar.
It was all about Washington Sundar, but no, it wasn't about Washington Sundar. It was about Akshar Patel too. He was the man of the match. What a brilliant performance when it comes down to bowling. Best figures in ODI cricket, especially overseas, where there was a lot of questions around Indian spinners that whether they can, bowl in these kind of conditions. And you have to keep this in mind that he is now on a trial mode before that, because Ravindra Jadeja has not got selected for the Australia series, not got selected here also. So there was a lot of questions around that, what we want for that South Africa ODI World Cup. Remember, in the press conference, Shubman Gill multiple times have mentioned the word South Africa. That means it is clearly going in their mind that we have to do everything for South Africa from here onward. It was a brilliant innings from Captain Shubman Gill before he went out, because of that hamstring. I hope all's well at this point of time.
We broke it. It was a confirmation from the Indian team management.
Well done.
So we broke it on the show that Shubman Gill is fine.
Okay. Because Washi clearly said that I don't know anything.
No. So
he was smiling all around.
We broke it on our post-match show as well.
Nothing better than that.
Shubman Gill is fine.
So Shubman Gill is fine, no problem as far as Hammy is concerned. Brilliant innings from Shreyas Iyer also. That 101 run stand is actually the point where Harry Brook and his captaincy comes into the part of question, where he was looking attacking as well, defensive as well. But Buryada, we were talking about Rohit, Virat, obviously, but there are these different players who are been the superstar today of this victory. For me, obviously, it's Washington Sundar. I want to know from you who's your player.
Washington Sundar is Rohit Juglan's.
What a catch, Buryada! What a catch he took! What a catch!
What you have said in the sorry to interrupt you. You have said in the afternoon show that blue-eyed boy. कुछ नहीं है blue भी नहीं है.
Look. The Birmingham is also blue. Trisha is also blue. You are also blue.
हमें अच्छा लगता है कि कोई प्लेयर हमें गलत प्रूव करता है. देखो हमारे लिए इंडिया फर्स्ट है. देखो इंडिया.
मेरे को तो गलत प्रूव नहीं किया. I always.
नहीं वो हमारी चीज अलग है.
I always there for him. And Buryada, I asked him about the batting. The evolve, the nature of the Washington Sundar's batting, and he credited Gautam Gambhir for that and Ashish Nehra for that. Respectively for India and GT.
देखो, I don't want to jump the gun. We said this in our post-match show. Yes. That if Washington Sundar can continue batting like this, then obviously he deserves a spot. But एक match के basis में I don't want to jump.
He did really well in Hobart also. Yeah, he did really well for GT also, more than 300 runs.
I still think that Kuldeep Yadav would have been better. Because I'll tell you why. This 258 would not be 258 with Kuldeep Yadav.
Sure.
Kuldeep Yadav means Liam Dawson getting 68. I don't see that. Yeah. And that lower order with Kuldeep Yadav bowling, maybe 220, 230 is what England would have.
That's where Akshar got wickets. In the later part of the innings, he broke that partnership between Joe Root and Liam Dawson.
Correct. And that's where I think Kuldeep Yadav could have finished it.
Yeah.
108 for 6 could have been 220.
Yes.
And then India would have easily won. So for 30-40 runs is because India went defensive with Washington Sundar. Now, I also understand that without Hardik, you want that cushion. Yes. But once Hardik is back, I don't see why Kuldeep Yadav has to sit out, because he's a match winner. Washington Sundar, nothing to take away from the fact that he played a good innings. He played a very important hand.
What a player. What a way to finish the game. Means that
was good.
I was constantly trying to say that we need his runs, we need the especially the moment he entered into the crease, it was not easy times. And similar to Akshar Patel also.
Now given Bharat Ramraj the title that
he's our HTD.
Prasidh Krishna doesn't know how good he is, which Bharat Ramraj knows. Only person who knows more about Prasidh than Prasidh himself. I will now give you the credit for Washington Sundar.
I know him more than he knows himself.
Exactly. You know better than Washington Sundar also knows. Boss, what a player. But anyway.
But let me just give you a small anecdote. So you sent me for that tour in Sri Lanka, which was Gautam Gambhir's first tour as coach.
Yes.
I asked first question to Washington Sundar, and he said he looked towards the media manager, a different media manager at that point of time, and he said he always asked not tough, he always asked controversial questions.
He should have known.
From that particular
Amit Shah,
point.
What is your stand on Washington Sundar? Blue-eyed boy.
See, blue-eyed boy. आज तो कमाल कर दिया है
अच्छा
एंड
खेला।
रियली सी दिस काइंड ऑफ इनिंग दैट रोहित हैज एक्सप्लेन होबार्ट का इनिंग दूसरा काफी इनिंग और ऐसी इनिंग की आपकी जरूरत है तो ही आपको एक ट्रू ऑलराउंडर के रूप में पहचाना जाएगा आप एक आध इनिंग आओगे जब टीम को क्रूशियल जरूरत है कप्तान अंदर चले गए क्रैम्प आया था उनको वो चले गए इसके बाद श्रेयस अय्यर जल्दी चले गए लगातार 2 विकेट तो बतौर एक सीनियर ऑलराउंडर उन्होंने अक्षर पटेल के साथ खड़े रह करके एक इनिंग बिल्डअप की
मैच विनिंग
पार्टनरशिप है और देखिए आपको ऐसा लग रहा होगा विकेट ऐसा है वैसा विकेट पर कंटिन्यूसली बाउंस था 50 ओवर बाउंस था
विकेट बहुत इजी
Change भी
विकेट
हुआ
पे
है,
था
change भी हुआ है,
नहीं।
और शुभमन गिल के जाने के बाद अय्यर के जाने के बाद वॉशिंगटन सुंदर ने अक्षर पटेल को कहा बॉल काफी ऊपर नीचे अनइवन वाली बाउंस भी आप खड़े रहो विकेट पर एक बार आपकी निगाहें जम सिंगल डबल लेते हैं क्योंकि तभी 98 और रन चाहिए थे
Yes.
तब उन्होंने दोनों ने संभाला विकेट और जब 50 रन 60 रन का जब चाहिए था देन अक्षर पटेल हिट द बॉल और ऐसा लग रहा था कि यार बस इतना वॉशिंगटन सुंदर यहाँ तक ले आए एक अगर 50 उनकी हो जाए अर्धशतक हो जाए तो यहाँ पर एक
And he did it.
double होगा
He didn't disappoint.
और उन्होंने किया भी
Yes.
अक्षर के पहले आए थे स्लो खेल रहे थे अक्षर ने हाफ सेंचुरी कर ली लेकिन जब 4 रन चाहिए थे जीत के लिए कम था एक शॉट मारा छक्का मारा दिखा दिया आई एम अ ट्रू ऑलराउंडर
वो देखो उसने वो शॉट प्रेस बॉक्स की तरह रोहित जुगलान के ऑनर में मारा कि रोहित जुगलान बोल रहा होगा अभी कि बनाओ
it goes
50
like this
बनाओ
कि
50
इतनी
फैन का ध्यान तो रखना चाहिए
इतनी शिद्दत
फैन
से
का
मैंने
ध्यान
तुम्हें
तो
पाने
रखना
की कोशिश की है कि हर जर्रे ने मुझे तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश की है
Washington
but Buryada
Sundar and Rohit Juglan.
But Buryada, coming to Akshar Patel, obviously, what slog sweeps, the way he has took the control.
Even
as
that
Shah
Jofra
told.
Archer over, the
Oh,
way he
I
played
think
Jofra,
two
those
boundaries
two shots, exactly.
and then a couple, it was a flick, but the way he took control, I think it was Akshar Patel's innings which dominated in that partnership and changed the momentum completely. Even when Harry Brook given the ball to Jofra Archer and
That was
thought
his
at
last
that point
throw
of
the
time,
dice.
yes.
Jofra Archer and Josh Tongue was his last throw of the dice. Akshar Patel, Washington Sundar was the second fiddle.
Yes.
Akshar Patel was the main aggressor in that
Exactly.
partnership. He controlled it. And when 220-30 हो जाता है तब तो कोई भी मार सकता है.
Exactly.
I'm not taking anything away from Washington, but Akshar Patel was the leader in that partnership. And again, experienced man has been given the responsibility ahead of Ravindra Jadeja, did the job. But let's decode this.
Yeah.
The moment you have a Bumrah back in the side, the bowling looks different.
It's completely different. Means look at the first over, look at the second over, look at the first 5-6 overs, and you have a Ben Duckett who in Test cricket never leave things like this. Means anything outside off stump, and he will pounce on that, and he will score boundaries. He will score runs with a quick run rate. Today, if you look at look, means we have to put this on record that this is in last 1 or 2 months 5th opening stand. Means 5 opening partners were changed as far as this particular opening pair is concerned. So Ben Duckett is obviously a constant there, but Jacob Bethel, now they are trying Jacob Bethel also. So England is at this point of time struggling because they need someone to pair with to get a pair as far as Ben Duckett is concerned. So the way Jasprit Bumrah bowled, and look at Prasidh Krishna, means obviously he was struggling in the T20 phase. We have seen him blow hot, blow cold. We always talk about that we need something consistent for a longer period of time from Prasidh Krishna, but it was always not there. But include a Jasprit Bumrah and then see almost this kind of a bowling lineup. You see inexperienced Gurnoor Brar. Sometimes his expressions were over the top, but that bounce he was creating at that point of time.
जब उनको pavilion
that
भेजा
celebration against Ben Duckett. Even
Big
Kohli
wicket,
came
big
and
wicket.
said, calm boy, and I'm just rubbing my eyes and saying, Kohli doing this.
लास्ट ईयर ओनली इन लीड्स हम जीत रहे थे गेम यही बेन डकेट थे कि जिन्होंने लीड्स में एक लंबी पारी खेल करके इंडिया के हाथ से जीत ले ली थी बोरियदा वो गुरनूर ब्रानी इनिंग देखी होगी टीस तो मतलब वो जीता हुआ इंडिया का मैच था कहीं ना कहीं अपने हाथों से जीत ले गए और एक यंगस्टर है 6'7", 6'8" हाइट ऐसा लगता है कोई 80s का वेस्ट इंडीज का बॉलर जो है वो भारत को मिल गया बॉलिंग डाल रहा है बेहतरीन बॉलिंग एक्सपेंसिव हुए
बट उनका भी यार टेम्परामेंट के बारे में बात करना चाहिए. दो ओवर में 26 पढ़ने के बाद वापस आके दो
Well,
wicket
again,
लेना।
that goes down to the belief of captain also, that he's bringing him at the right point of time in that whole innings. But Buryada, you written something over, Shubman Gill's affair with this ground. Obviously, we remember what he did in that Birmingham Test. India, you asked him the question also day before yesterday that. It was the very ground. India, trailing in the series, and then comes his innings. 269, I think, if I'm not wrong, in the second innings. 100 in the first one, and the way he dominated with the bat. And you said, pretty exactly that whenever people will write Shubman Gill the leader and Shubman Gill the batter in Test cricket, this ground will come, in bold, in italic, in underline, whatever you want to say. But they will start from this very ground.
100%. And some grounds, at one point in time, Sachin Tendulkar had an average of 221 at the SCG. And it used to be called the Sydney Cricket Ground or the Sachin Cricket Ground. Adelaide is the same with Virat Kohli. Yes. The guy goes there, gets 100.
Yeah.
It's
back-to-back hundreds in his first test as captain.
Correct. That 2014 series.
Yes.
And this one with Shubman Gill, a double 100 and 100. Again, had the cramps not happened, he would have scored 100 once more.
Yes.
Shubman Gill and Edgbaston, it made him a red ball captain.
Yes.
After Leeds, this ground gave him identity.
Yeah.
This match will give him identity after the string of losses. Yes. Shubman Gill, all praise for the guy, and that's why I've claimed in one of our earlier videos that in challenging conditions,
yes,
I think someone like Shubman Gill is also needed in T20 cricket. Do you agree?
Yesterday we mentioned in all our shows that Shubman Gill is a real leader, because whenever you are coming to this kind of a venue, you can remember your past innings. And the same thing, Buryada, which you have mentioned, Rohit has also mentioned, that आप अपनी पुरानी इनिंग याद करके आज शुभमन गिल यहाँ है. शुरू में तो विकेट एकदम फंसा हुआ था. Rohit was discussed in the lunch show जब यहाँ पर कि नहीं मुझे ऐसे ही लग रहा है विकेट. And the similar thing happened that we lost two wickets, early wickets.
Two big wickets.
Two big wickets.
Rohit Sharma,
दुनिया की नजर थी.
Yes.
We lost two wickets.
Let's address the elephant in the room. Loads of people asked me about Rohit Sharma in our post-match show. Tell me.
Loads?
Your thoughts. Loads of people.
No, I don't think that at this point of time it is a serious concern. Exactly. To be really honest with you, he has shown us a glimpse. It was a small innings for sure, but that Natraj shot at the very start, sometimes there are some shots that, like when Sachin hit a cover drive, that yes, things are ready, and he is going at this point of time. A Dravid straight drive, sometimes a pull or a hook from Rohit Sharma, and Natraj is obviously his trademark shot. I'm not saying that my only concern with Rohit Sharma, which I discussed with you also, Buryada, that he's taking in every series, he's taking a match or a couple of games to start the kind of Rohit Sharma we want to see. Remember the SCG innings, it came at the very last part of the series. That was the last match, and first game he struggled a little bit, second game he tried, he worked hard for his runs, and it was an important innings. If there was no Cooper Connolly innings from the Australian side, it was a 1-1 there only, and then we can easily win that series. But coming down to that, then South Africa series, and then going to the New Zealand series, it was Rohit Sharma, the batter, who's taking time to announce his arrival, and that's my biggest concern around Rohit Sharma at this point of time. He has to dominate from the very first game. That's what I want to see with Rohit Sharma. Yes, it was difficult to bat at the very very start. Even if you see the England batters, they were also playing and missing multiple deliveries, more than Rohit, what actually happened with Rohit and Shubman. It was a bit of luck there, but I'm not going to say that Rohit was unlucky. I just want to say that give him some time, and you will not regret.
Amit?
Similarly, because see, forget about what happened today, लेकिन ये दोनों ही बल्लेबाज जो हैं, इनका पास्ट काफ़ी इंग्लैंड में इतने रन इन्होंने बनाए. जैसे हम लोग मैं और रोहित सवेरे शो के पर बात कर रहे थे मैच शुरू होने से पहले कि इस ग्राउंड में रोहित शर्मा का एवरेज है 84 समथिंग, और लास्ट 3 इनिंग्स में 3 सेंचुरी है, 2 बांग्लादेश के खिलाफ, 1 इंग्लैंड के खिलाफ. तो मेरे हिसाब से ठीक है कि आप एक आध मैच में नहीं खेलो. और देखिए विकेट फंसा हुआ था, ये बात माननी पड़ेगी हमें, और इससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है कि ठीक है आगे आप कार्डिफ में खेलेंगे, लॉर्ड्स में खेलेंगे, और जब आप ऐसे मैदानों पर खेलते हो, लॉर्ड्स में जब जब आप जाओगे ना तब आपको लगेगा। और देखिए रोहित शर्मा ऑस्ट्रेलिया सीरीज पर, रोहित यू वर देयर दैट टाइम, पहली इनिंग में रोहित फेल थे और उसके बाद वो मैन ऑफ द सीरीज बने। तो ऐसा होता है कि पहला विकेट जो है, भले ठीक है पहली मैच में आपको एक नजर बट्टू नाम का एक शब्द होता है कि जो नजर बट्टू है वो पहले मैच में लग गया। नजर बट्टू अच्छी तरीके से समझेगा।
हाँ मतलब आप जैसे हाँ ये भी है एक तरीके से, जैसे आप घर के बाहर मिर्ची और नींबू लगा देते हो ना,
मतलब
जिसके बुरी नजर से
जो भी बुरी नजर है वो इस मैच में लग गई।
it was like part of North India. It was written in the gari, things which I can't say here, but it was particular things which you use to मतलब बुरी नजर से बचाओ भाई।
अब बुरी
like
नजर
वो
खत्म
टीका
हो
लगा
गया
देते हैं ना,
सर। अभी 2 मैच बचा है, 2 इनिंग देखिए ये दोनों स्टॉलवर्ड्स क्या करते हैं।
देखो मुझे ये लग रहा है कि रोहित शर्मा पहला 7 ओवर में इंडिया ने 40 रन बना लिए थे। रोहित शर्मा जोफ्रा आर्चर को विकेट नहीं दिए।
यस,
रोहित शर्मा जॉश टंग को विकेट नहीं दिए।
He was leaving also balls.
Exactly, मैं रोहित जुगलान के साथ completely सहमत हूँ कि इंग्लैंड ओपनर struggled much more against the Indians,
Yes.
whether it is बुमराह और even प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा। रोहित शर्मा ने सैम करन को विकेट दिया, क्यों दिया? क्योंकि उनको लगा कि अरे अब तो रिलीज शॉट मार सकता हूँ। वो सामने आके बिकॉज पेस कम है, पेस 135 है, पेस जोफ्रा का 150 था, इसीलिए वो डांस डाउन द ट्रैक करके बट थोड़ा सा उनको टाइम लेना चाहिए था। शॉट पुअर था, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि रोहित शर्मा को एक मैच के बाद आप बोलो रोहित शर्मा से नहीं
शॉट नहीं खेला है।
And the exact thing is he got disappointed because of that only.
Exactly.
मेन निकाल लिया और उसके बाद आप आकर लास्ट टाइम पे जब आप अब तो मौका आ गया था। Now it's the time when you have to score runs and you have to get over that strike rate
because
thing
वो
also.
Nataraj shot and the next ball where he scored those 2 runs, I thought was indication that he was getting his eye in.
Yes.
Another couple of overs, Amit actually made that point, इससे अभी रन बनेगा, and the moment he got those 2, so it was a fault shot. That fault shot was not
and
needed
he
at
was
that
he was
point.
even leaving ball on 4th stump and 5th stump, these kind of things. I think that's I think the main thing around Rohit Sharma's batting in that complete inning. So my only point is that I'm disheartened because similar thing have happened with Virat also. Adelaide, I always thought of that Adelaide will be a dream run for Virat Kohli. He'll end it on a high. Not happened. It happened with a duck, and he appreciated the crowd who was there, and everyone said after that, hand raise, that it will be curtains for Virat Kohli from here onwards.
But the same thing, Rohit, we saw in that 3 days practice session that Rohit was doing the same thing. शुरू में जो तेज गेंद डाल रहे थे वो छोड़ रहे थे, leaving outside off stump. Yeah, exactly. तो वो सेम थीम थी। उन्हें भी पता है कि मुझे जो है वो गेंद यहाँ पर जो जोफ्रा आर्चर और एटकिंसन और जॉश टंग जो करेंगे, उन्हें पता है कि अगर मैं एक बार गेंद पर निगाहें जमा लूंगा, क्योंकि बहुत टाइम के बाद वो भी यहाँ पर इंग्लैंड में आ रहे हैं, खेल रहे हैं, तो उन्हें पता है कि भैया देखो अगर मैं निगाहें
मिलाने को जी चाहता है।
हाँ, वो तो फिर वो जब वो 50 मारते तो ऐसी निगाहें मिला है।
नहीं रोहित शर्मा लाइक निगाहें गेंद से मिलाने को जी चाहता है। आप लोग क्या समझ रहे हैं? व्हाट यू गाइस आर थिंकिंग?
लेकिन निगाहें तो ठीक है, निगाहें अभी आपको मौके मिलेंगे, निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है।
के लिए हो गया कहीं पे निगाहें कहीं पे निशाना।
हाय
नहीं निशाना भी वही है और निगाहें भी वही है।
देखो निशाना अचूक है, और अर्जुन जिस तरीके से मछली की आंख भेजता था, ये दोनों ही खिलाड़ी जो हैं वो ऐसे ही करेंगे।
तो ये मुझे ये बताओ, शो खत्म करना है थोड़ी देर में,
एक शायरी के साथ करता हूँ मैं।
कार्डिफ में क्या खत्म हो रहा है? कार्डिफ में 2-0 हो रहा है।
I think for sure. I think because Cardiff is. I think Cardiff will be a little easier, And I'm not saying कि easy होने की वजह से ये खत्म हो जाएगा. I think these guys are also trying to now, they don't want to make a point. ये तो साफ हो गया है कि they are not trying to prove anything. They are, trying to play whatever game they always played. Look at Virat Kohli today. Means the same kind of intensity. We haven't seen much of his batting today. Just one boundary in that Archer over. But his presence in the field today means stopping a couple of boundaries there with a single hand effort, and the way his intensity in the field, it completely, showing you a glimpse of what Virat Kohli is at this point of time. His practice sessions, and with Virat Kohli you cannot say कि यार ये ना अपना expression छुपा रहा है, because Virat Kohli जैसा है आपके सामने है. It's not कि he is hiding something inside. He is directly on your face, और वो हमेशा उसका क्रिकेट का it's always been part of his cricketing career. Rohit Sharma, you can say that यार चेहरा कुछ कह रहा है, अंदर कुछ चल रहा होगा, that similar thing have happened in that test series, that final test series. You met him, he said to you कि आ रहा हूँ अभी बैटिंग करने के लिए, and we never thought of this that कि अगला game वो खेलेंगे नहीं and Melbourne will be his last test. So sometimes with that Rohit Sharma, that poker face, you can't, get things away कि यार क्या करेगा. Virat Kohli is always on your face and you can completely take that from his expression that what he will do. So I think Cardiff will be the game.
Amit, Cardiff closed.
करना तो चाहूंगा मैं कार्डिफ, क्योंकि देखिए बात की किसी ने देखी है, अगर आप बाद में लॉर्ड्स तक इंतजार करोगे कुछ नहीं, जो भी है वो वही इसी पल है. अभी आप जीतो, एक दिन का आप जीत रहे हो, आपके पास मोमेंटम है, उसको कंटिन्यू करो. शायरी तो आएगी, जरूर आएगी, साथ में जीत भी आएगी. कल मैंने कहा था ईस्ट और वेस्ट इंडिया इज द बेस्ट, आ गया इंडिया बेस्ट, इंडिया जीतेगा, जीत गया.
चलो भाई शायरी.
अब तो मैं भूल भी गया. नहीं वो कुछ ऐसा था कि उनकी आंखें देखी है तो लगा है कि अर्जुन को क्यों आंख दिखाई देती थी. So I don't know whether people will get this or not, but it's little deep. It's little deep.
ये लोग थोड़ा भूख लग रहा है इनको. Clearly, I have to take them.
नहीं अरे ऐसा था ना, लाइक अब मेरे को थोड़ा समझाना पड़ेगा. वो ऐसा था कि इट्स लाइक कि अर्जुन जब निशाना लगा रहे थे तो उनको आंख दिख रही थी प्रॉपर. एवरीवन वाज थिंकिंग कि मछली की आंख कहाँ है, बट अर्जुन को आंख दिखाई दे रही थी. तो उसको थोड़ा सा रोमांटिसाइज किया है शायर ने यहाँ पर कि उनकी आंखें देखी है तो पता चला कि अर्जुन को क्यों आंख दिखाई पड़ती थी. I don't know whether the people will get it or not, but yeah.
Only person I will end the show on this note. Only person who will get this is Washington Sundar.
अरे नहीं, अरे
So on that note,
no.
Washington Sundar, this is for you.
My wife will also get this.
Okay, two people. Rohit Juglan's wife and Washington Sundar. Washington Sundar is an elite company. Okay, on that note, folks,
Yes.
back from Cardiff, 5 p.m. will be Trisha Ghoshal and Rohit Juglan together as all of us move to Cardiff. And by the way, evening, we will all be in a pub. England versus Argentina. That will be some game. All of this country will go mad with, is this cup coming home? Is Jude Bellingham the next English superstar? We will be back with plenty more. Thanks for watching.